Why does cleaning your hard floors have to be such hard work? Sweeping, scrubbing, mopping.
Even if it looks clean, invisible bacteria could just get spread around. Presenting the amazing VAX Glide.
It's a cordless hard floor cleaner that can save time. Because it vacuums, washes, and helps dry at the same time.
Lifting away dirt and bacteria fast in one easy step. It's got an advanced multi-surface brush roll. What does that mean?
It means it can do this. It's got twin tank technology. What does that mean?
You're always using a mix of clean water and VAX solution that kills 99.9% of bacteria.
And high power mode? That means it can even do this.
Its revolutionary VAX ONEPWR battery gives you up to 30 minutes high performance cleaning.
And can power every other product in the VAX ONEPWR system.
When you're done, your floor's dry and smelling fresh in minutes. With a squeeze of the trigger, the VAX Glide gets on with cleaning itself, and the dirty water gets poured away.
So you can get on with this.
Clean hard floors fast and easy with the amazing VAX ONEPWR Glide.
VAX ONEPWR. Endless possibilities.
Hi, I'm Kay. Shark reached out to me to introduce you to their newest innovation in cleaning, the Shark Steam & Scrub. The Steam & Scrub is up to 2 times better at removing those pesky stuck-on messes than traditional steam mops, which makes my life a whole lot easier. It also comes with 3 different cleaning modes, so I can personalize my cleaning experience no matter what type of mess I'm dealing with. To get started, push the mode button once for light mode, twice for normal mode, and 3 times for deep mode. Then tilt the handle down to activate the spinning pads. Light mode is best for light cleaning and dusting delicate surfaces such as laminate, hardwood, and vinyl. Normal mode is ideal for basic cleaning in large areas of your home. Normal mode works great on marble, tile, and stone floors to tackle everyday messes like dirt and quick spills. Deep mode is best for reaching hard to clean surfaces and removing stuck-on messes and stains. This mode cleans deep, cutting through heavy dirt and grime while sanitizing floors. Deep mode is also ideal for marble, tile, and stone floors.